It all began with a sound. Unfamiliar. Metal clanked. Steam hissed. And for a moment, the whole village held its breath. Then steamships slowly replaced sails. And the world started to speed up. Industrial printing presses arrived. Roads and bridges spread across the land. Shipyards expanded. Life in the booming industries was tough, but people began to adjust. City populations exploded. A new wealthy class emerged. Industrial capitalists. Schools were built for the working class. The first hospitals appeared. Watching the factories and the crowded streets, I realized the world I had grown up. The city was bursting at the seams. Danger lurked inside the factories. Children toiled beside the machines, their small hands fast, their eyes tired. Smoke blackened the sky. Rivers once clean turned dark. Workers had had enough. For the first time, workers joined hands. The government had to respond. The rich grew richer. And I wondered if the price of progress had been too high. Disease spread quickly in the slums. The public began to speak out. Urban reform was underway. Public education expanded. Work hours were reduced. Parks were built in the heart of the cities. Medicine advanced. Public transportation arrived. As I watched the city change, I saw glimmers of hope. But this change, it wasn't stopping at England's shores. The revolution didn't stay in England. Across the Atlantic, America embraced the new era. Colonies became sources of raw materials. A new economic order emerged: capitalism. Cities rose across the globe. But wealth came at a cost. Life, work, culture, all changed. And so was inequality. Still, the Industrial Revolution taught us something. Progress always comes with responsibility. And I, a boy who watched the world change, believed that education became the key, the only way to solve the problems born from this. Technology kept advancing. We searched for cleaner energy. Awareness grew. Countries began to collaborate, facing global challenges together. Pollution, poverty, disease. Governments could lead. Looking back, I saw one truth. Every generation has its own struggle. If I could send one message to the future, it would be this: be careful. I folded my message into a paper letter and let the wind carry it. No matter what, history moves forward.